Welcome to Beautyistic. Are you someone who's always on the lookout for easy-to-use products that can help improve your oral health while being portable enough to take on the go? Today, we're diving into a dental pick that promises to make flossing and cleaning your teeth easier and more convenient. I'm talking about the Gum Soft Picks Wider Space Dental Picks. These aren't your typical dental tools. They're dentist recommended and designed to help you achieve healthier gums and cleaner teeth without the hassle of traditional flossing. But do they live up to the hype? Let's find out. So let's get into it. The Gum Soft Picks are designed with soft rubber bristles that make cleaning between your teeth a breeze. They're 25% wider than the original Soft Picks, making them an ideal choice for those with wider spaces between their teeth, braces, or other dental appliances like bridges. And trust me, if you've ever struggled with getting those hard-to-reach spots, these picks might just be your new best friend. As for the design, they come in a convenient 100-count pack with a plastic carry case, making them perfect for slipping into your bag or car. So whether you're rushing between meetings or just on the go, you've got an easy, quick solution for keeping your gums and teeth in top shape. Now, on to how they perform. I've been using these for a while now, and I'll be honest, flossing never felt easier. The rubber bristles are gentle yet effective. They slide between your teeth with minimal effort and actually manage to remove plaque and food particles. I use these both in the morning and evening, and I noticed my gums felt healthier. No more irritation from traditional floss, which can sometimes feel too rough. However, no product is perfect. While they're great for regular cleaning, if you have very tight spaces between your teeth, you might find them a bit less effective. They work best for wider gaps or if you're wearing braces, but for those with very close-set teeth, you might still prefer traditional floss. Let's talk about value for money. At first glance, the price might seem a little steep compared to regular toothpicks or floss, but when you factor in the convenience, effectiveness, and dentist recommendation, I'd say it's worth it. You're getting 100 picks, which should last you a decent amount of time, and they come in a portable case that makes them easy to carry with you anywhere. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are a few similar dental picks on the market, but I find Gum Soft Picks to be a standout in terms of comfort and ease of use. There are other picks out there with wider bristles, but they don't always come with a portable case, or they don't offer the same level of softness, which makes them less comfortable for daily use. In terms of build quality, I was impressed with how sturdy the picks feel in hand. The plastic case is simple yet effective, and the bristles have held up well over time without fraying or bending too easily. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, let's talk about customer support. In my experience with Gum, they've been responsive and helpful whenever I've had questions about their products. While I didn't have any direct interaction with customer service for this particular product, Gum has a solid reputation for addressing consumer needs quickly and effectively. So if you do run into any issues, they should be easy to reach. Overall, these Gum Soft Picks are an excellent addition to any oral hygiene routine. They're easy to use, gentle on the gums, and provide a great way to keep your teeth clean, especially if you're on the go. The portable case makes it easy to take with you, and the wider bristles are perfect for those with wider interdental spaces or dental appliances. Thanks for watching, and if you've used these picks before, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. The link to purchase is in the description, and I'll catch you all next time. Stay beautiful inside and out.